So the name Atbash originally comes from Hebrew. The name Atbash comes from the first letters of the Hebrew alphabet, which are Aleph and Beth, and the last two letters, Taw and Shin. And so if you think about putting Aleph as A and Taw as T, Beth as B, and Shin as Sh, that gives you the name Atbash. Atbash is based on a game that beginning Hebrew students would learn to sharpen their understanding of the letters. They would be writing the alphabet and they would be asked which letter came opposite a letter if you wrote it with the way we did in the table. And it appears at least one time in the Bible. In Jeremiah 25:26, the King James Version says, "And the king of Sheshach shall drink after them." Bible scholars, in particular the translators of the King James Version, did not know what Sheshach meant. They didn't have any context for it. So they just included it literally as it appeared. But it turns out that if you take the Hebrew word for Babylon, which I do not know what it is, but if you take the Hebrew word for Babylon and you encrypt it using the Atbash cipher, you get Sheshach. And this was a period of time when the Hebrews were under captivity by the Babylonians. So the Hebrews during this period of time used Atbash as a way to hide messages from the Babylonians. The reason it worked is that they had this prior cultural knowledge. They had practiced the Hebrew alphabet as children using this game. And so even if a Babylonian understood the Hebrew alphabet, they were unlikely to have the context of knowing how to flip the letters around in a way that children would learn.